You know what's more expensive than gold these days? It's your energy. Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Chakravarti and welcome back to my channel. This is episode every time, probably 8th or ninth, I don't know, of a series called Pep Talk. This is the one where I talk about stuff that I've learned, stuff that I am still learning, stuff that I've undergone in the hope of helping you guys with, whatever I can. Okay. So, um, there have been certain things happening in my life that have just made me realize that energy is very precious. So I thought, why not talk about it? So the topic for today's video is, what is it? Stop sending them your energy. Yes, babe, we're going to talk about energy today. Because like I said in the beginning of the video, energy is more expensive than gold. Do you know how easy it is to physically drain someone these days? Do you know how easy it is to get under anyone's skin these days? The art of mastering the I don't give an F energy, the idea of mastering the I don't give a shit energy is elite. And not everyone can do that. It takes blood, sweat, and tears because you have to develop a very thick skin in order to do that. Sounds simple, but it's very tough because you need to listen from one ear, pull it out of the other one, and throw it in the dustbin. I know it's easier said than done, but you have to do it because guess what? Everything about you, like I always mention in all of my videos, is a luxury, baby. Not everyone can afford it. Every little thing about you, your time, your attention, your efforts, your energy. Listen to me. It can be a relationship, it can be a friendship, it can be your parent, my love. It can be anyone who can drain you physically, emotionally, mentally. Listen, a relationship that does not feel fulfilled is not for you. A relationship where you feel drained all of the time, a relationship where you feel like, oh my god, where am I in this relationship? Where is me? Where are my problems? Where are my likes? Where are my dislikes? If your life is surrounded around that person that's sucking the energy out of you, that's not your person, honey. That person is not for you. And it's not just people in relationships. Okay, um ये तो बहुत complex हो गया, but the amount of energy you give to people who are walking on the road, why? Let me tell you something. Earlier, any Tom, Dick, or Harry saying anything to me, I don't like the way you're dressing, I used to take that and I used to sit down with it the entire day, the entire week, stressing about it, that oh my god, why did that person say that about me? Is something wrong with what I wear? What is wrong? How do I need to please that person? How do I need to make that person feel good about myself? Do you see how stupid that sounds? That's how stupid you sound when you give a shit about what people say about you, when you give a shit about what people think about you, when you give a shit about what people perceive you as. Why would you do that? Do you not have any other work in your life? Do you not have anything? Because it sounds like you don't. Because if you have the time, the energy to give to some other person just walking on the road, I feel you have absolutely no work. You're free. You have a lot of time to waste. Listen, a person with self respect, a person who knows their true value, knows that my energy is not meant for that person. My energy is precious. I cannot waste it on anyone else. Like I mentioned in my previous video, you don't have to fight with people, you don't have to scream at people. Listen, a person talking to you, coming and screaming at, what I do when people try to come and fight with me, and although it rarely ever happens because people don't you know fuck with me, but when it happens, when someone thinks they can just get under my skin, I sit like this. This is how I sit. and the person gets so irritated because they don't get a reaction out of me. Listen, a person does shit to you to get a reaction out of you, okay? And if you give them that, they've won, you've lost. Because whatever a person does, he or she does it for attention. Don't give them that. Don't give them that. They're not worth it. What you have in here is gold, okay? It's expensive. Get a hobby, okay? Put that energy into your hobby, into your studies, into your work, where things are gonna help you flourish. Put your energy into stuff like that, not into some random person walking on the road saying shit about you. Like, why would you even do that to begin with? Why would you even do that? Why? It's not worth it, baby. It's not worth it, because you know what it's gonna do? It's gonna make you feel as if you have absolutely nothing in you at the end of the day. It's gonna make you feel as if you're empty. You have nothing. And when you're trying to be productive after that, you'll realize that there is absolutely no energy left in you. The entire day you'll think about the other person's problems, why the other person said what he or she said to you, why the other person treated you the way they did. Stop giving a shit. Stop giving a shit. You have to do it. There is no hard and fast rule. You just need to change your mindset. You need to start thinking otherwise. Every time you have a thought that says that, oh my god, why? Okay, just have a counter thought. No. Why should I think about that? Is it my job? Did I birth them? Am I feeding them? Are they feeding me? Did they birth me? The answer will always be no. So when you get the answer, you know that it's a no. It's not your responsibility. It is not your job to drain yourself physically and mentally and try to solve their problems in order to understand why they did what they did. Why did they call you stupid? Why did they call you, funny looking? Why? It's because they cannot be at your level. They cannot match you. They cannot come up to where you. Listen, one thing that I'll make one thing very clear, okay? You are here and the other person is here. The person who is here will be dragged down. The person who is here will never try to come up here. But the person will try to bring this person down to his or her level. But you are here and you need to be smart enough to know not to go down here. Okay? Because if you go from here to here, oh baby, we've got problems. There are problems that you need to fix. And no amount of me screaming at you, me coming to you physically and talking to you is going to help until or unless you have it in your own self. Until or unless you get that straight into your head that no, I cannot let that person or that situation drain me because I don't have it in me. Don't give a shit. The moment you stop giving a shit, the person knows that I cannot. She's not bothered by me. Because you are irrelevant, honey. You are irrelevant in my life. I don't have the amount of energy or the time to spend on you. Because you're not relevant. You're not worth it. Who are you? Sorry, who are you? That's the attitude you should have. Okay? Sit down and think about it. Develop a thick skin. You need to know that you're precious, you're gorgeous, you're beautiful. What is it that you don't have? You're beautiful to look at. You're handsome to look at. Either you have so much of talent, you have so much of patience, you have so much of creativity. Then why the hell would you spend it on some random ass person walking on the road saying something about you just because they cannot match your level? Why? Think about it, honey. They're not worth it. They're just not worth it. You are the only thing that's worth it. Spend all your time, all your energy, all your love on yourself because baby, look at you. Look at you. You're unreal. You're unreal, okay? I love you and I'm here for you. Okay? That's it for today's video. Again, if you have anything to say to me, if you have anything, any problem, my DMs are open, my Instagram is there in my description, my comment box is open. Any requests that you want me to make a video on, any topic, just drop it down or drop me a text if there is any personal issue, and I'm here for you. Okay, I love you. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.